What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best gaming keyboards in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. For all you epic gamers on the not-so-epic budgets, we have especially singled out the VicTsing RGB Gaming Keyboard. With an irresistibly low price, VicTsing RGB Gaming Keyboard deservedly took the title of the best ultra-chip budget gaming keyboard available on the market in 2021. But do know that despite this super cheap price tag, this fella still delivers the goods. The device comes in a new slim design with metal plate construction to ensure greater durability, not something you'd expect from a budget option. Also, during the design, special attention was paid to achieving the greatest possible comfort during long hours of gaming, hence the addition of a wrist rest that relieves fatigue. There's also an LED backlight that will give players the opportunity to absolutely immerse themselves in the world of gaming in order to achieve the best possible atmosphere. The speed and brightness level are variable and easily adjustable according to your wishes and needs. Also, when you don't need it, the backlight can be easily turned off. The VicTsing RGB Gaming Keyboard also boasts improved feedback, thanks to the Crater architecture. This means that gamers will be able to enjoy as much as 4 times faster information entry when typing the keys. The structure of the Crater also provides fairly quiet keystrokes, thanks to the sound muting option, ensuring that others do not interfere during work. Therefore, the VicTsing RGB Gaming Keyboard can be used seamlessly in offices and similar work environments. In order to achieve the quickest possible response, the 19 keys of this keyboard can work simultaneously, which is successfully achieved thanks to advanced, innovative ghost protection technology. There are also the FN and Win keys, which are specially designed to avoid unwanted, wrong typing and various obstacles during play. Also, the arrow keys and W, A, S, and D keys can be easily replaced to fully suit your requirements whenever needed. What users additionally like about this ultra-cheap keyboard is its fairly simple installation. Just plug and play, folks! Finally, the VicTsing RGB Gaming Keyboard is resistant to water spills, so potential accidental splashes will not interfere with your gaming experience. The next product on our list for today is the Razer Cynosa V2, also known as the best membrane budget gaming keyboard that you can find in the market in 2021. The Razer Cynosa Chroma V2 utilizes programmable lights in each key and will bring the Chrome integrated titles to life. Furthermore, every keystroke you make on the Razer Cynosa V2 is also cushioned and quiet, making the device quite comfortable to use during long hours of typing and playing. Also, gamers will be able to personalize the gaming RGB keyboard with more than 16.8 million colors and a range of effects to choose from. With Razer Synapse 3, you can customize the game via macros. The media keys are located in the upper right corner of the keyboard and are very easy to access. You can put the cable in one of 3 outputs where it is most convenient at a given moment. You can configure the media keys to functions such as play, skip, or pause, and adjust everything to your needs, from brightness to volume. The Cynosa V2 also boasts spill resistance as well as durability, all thanks to its solid construction. This fellow offers very versatile performance in various games, as well as the ability to execute up to 10 commands at the same time. It should be noted that the Razer Cynosa V2, thanks to its rugged design and construction, can withstand up to 80 million clicks with an included 2-year warranty. The product comes in the size of 18.25 by 6.6 by 1.19 inches, as well as weight of 2.48 pounds. This rounds up all the important features of this product, so now we can freely move on to the review of the next budget gaming keyboard. Let's step into the value domain. If you want to get the top bang for the buck, the following product on our rundown is the right choice for you. Check out the HyperX Alloy Core RGB. Wielding the perfect price-quality ratio, this fella has deservedly won the title of the best value budget gaming keyboard that can be found on the market in 2021. HyperX Alloy Core RGB is a full keyboard with diaphragm switches and RGB backlight for middle-level users. If we start with the construction, the whole body of the keyboard is made of plastic, but it is strong and fairly robust. It does not convey a feeling of weakness at all, quite the opposite. Additionally, the device sports the standard folding legs for lifting and is resistant to splashes. having the ability to withstand up to 120 millimeters of liquid spilled on the keyboard. What the HyperX Alloy Core RGB also sports is the ability to keep the noise level way down when pressing the keys. So if you're gaming late at night, this might be an important feature. Furthermore, the keys are just the right size, and the touch is quite pleasant. They also feature anti-deception technology, meaning that you won't lose any keystroke. HyperX Alloy Core has RGB light with 5 well-differentiated areas along the keyboard and a total of 6 effects with 2 levels of brightness. Users cannot assign an individual color to each key, but we can assign separate colors to each of the zones, as well as adjust the speed of each effect directly from the keyboard itself. The onboard multimedia keys will allow you to increase or decrease the volume, mute the system completely, or control the music playback. As for the disadvantages, apart from the software, the only thing missing is that it doesn't have a USB port for direct mouse connection, as many keyboards offer. But you'll have to agree that this is still not a serious drawback, considering all the advantages it provides. For the listed price, you can't beat this guy. If you are hesitant between a mechanical and a membrane device, a hybrid keyboard is the right choice for you. Introducing the Razer Ornata V2, the best option in this domain available on the market in 2021. Razer replicates the hybrid mechanical membrane technology of the original Ornata, a true hallmark of the series. It offers the softness and comfort of rubber membranes, along with a top experience of mechanical switches and highly defined tactile qualities, including a loud but not squeaky click. Compared to the 10-key transition of the original model, the Ornata V2 has an N-key rollover, which allows all keystrokes to be recorded simultaneously, so we can perform several actions at the same time. Note that Razer guarantees 80 million keystrokes with this one. In terms of design, this is a robust, elegant, and high-quality full keyboard, made of ABS plastic with a matte black finish. The most noticeable addition is the multifunction digital dial located above the numeric keypad. By default, it acts as volume control, although it can be adapted for other tasks. Next to it, there are 3 dedicated keys for media functions and a few additional ones below, such as the keys for game mode and macros. The keyboard contains a detachable wrist rest that deserves to be highlighted. It's attached with a magnetic connection to the lower part and is made of synthetic leather. Very comfortable and high quality, providing that superior touch that every user is bound to appreciate. The backlight offered by Chroma RGB technology is outstanding and is one of the finest features of Razer keyboards. With 16.8 million possible color combinations, it delivers an explosion of light and color and great symmetry throughout the keyboard. All these controls and much more are managed by the Synapse 3 software, one of the best on the market. The software allows you to add installed games to any of the predefined profiles, and we love it. It should be noted that this keyboard has no built-in memory, so the use of Synapse 3 is mandatory for storing profiles, macros, and basic keyboard management. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Delivering a high-quality, premium performance and features, as well as the best possible price-quality ratio, we have unanimously decided that the gold medal and the title of the best budget gaming keyboard on the 2021 market should go to the SteelSeries Apex 5. The board is crafted of excellent aluminum, which is used in the aviation industry. The lighting is beautiful, giving the keyboard a rather premium feeling. The rubber wrist connects to the keyboard via a magnet, which is a great practical solution. The rubber itself is exceptionally comfortable, and the magnets are strong enough to hold it even when you lift the keyboard into the air, which is more than enough. Finally, on the upper right side of the keyboard, there is a media key, which you can program for a variety of features, as well as the high-quality volume wheel. Furthermore, the mix includes an OLED screen, which is identical to that of the Apex 7 model. And then we come to the most important part of this keyboard, which are the keys you'll use. We are looking at a combination of smooth membrane and sturdy mechanical clicks. Yes, the hybrid approach. Specifically, the keys on the Apex 5 are most similar to the Cherry MX Blue mechanical keys, meaning they give good feedback and you hear that click. Some like the click, while others are driven crazy by it. So this device once again just might be the ideal solution. Furthermore, it must be noted that these hybrid keys are actually a little easier to use. Less force is needed to register a click, so they are a little more moderate than real mechanical buttons. Another good thing is the visual impression. RGB LED lighting is done phenomenally. And there is an addition to the ability to illuminate the button you press last, now a function that SteelSeries calls chasing ghosts. Namely, when you activate this option and start pressing the keys from the last pressed, a wave or line will start, or whatever else you choose towards the others, which is a really fun effect that many users liked. And finally, the price is not only budget-friendly, but also top value. This one is the best there is. You will not regret buying it. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.